if you are wondering what is the best power adapter, what is the recommended power adapter for your Google Pixel 11 Pro, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So if you're looking for the most optimal choice, then it's going to be a genuine Google power adapter, or charger of course, with 30 watts or more. The reason why you want a charger with 30 watts at least is simply because the phone cannot use more than 30 watts in order to charge its battery. So anything above 30 watts is, well, it doesn't really make any difference in the charging speed, to be honest. Of course, you can also get a power adapter that has less than 30 watts. That is going to work as well. But of course, you're losing the charging speed because of that. So 30 watts or more is going to be perfect for Google Pixel 11 Pro. Ideally, the charger should be made by Google. If not, you can use some alternatives. If you don't want to use Google's power adapter, you can use some other power adapters. I would still recommend you sticking with well-known brands. So if not Google, then of course you can try Samsung, Motorola, Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, or Xiaomi, and so on and so forth. So generally speaking, those well-known brands that produce and manufacture smartphones on the market. And I would avoid using knockoffs. I would just simply not get them, personally. And the only thing that you might want to consider while purchasing a power adapter that is not made by Google is, of course, the port that we have in the power adapter. Simply because the cable that we have here inside the box that comes with the phone is USB-C cable. It has USB-C on both ends. So ideally, you want to get a power adapter that has USB-C port as well. Of course, if you happen to find a power adapter with USB-A port, and if you don't really mind changing the cable, then feel free to do so. You can also use other brands that have USB-A chargers, and they are going to work as well. Personally, I use Realme's power adapter with USB-A port exactly, so I also use a different cable, and it works just fine. I can charge my Google Pixel 11 Pro with that charger and custom cable. The cable actually is from Oppo, but still, it works. So yeah, and of course, even if you change the brand, if you are looking for a power adapter made by other brand than Google, you still want to get 30 watts at least. The rule here is exactly the same. And ideally, the power adapter should have either PD 3.0 or PPS technology. And this is just something that is supported by Google Pixel 11 Pro, so therefore it is recommended to, of course, have such a power adapter. And I believe that's pretty much it, so leave a like and subscribe.